Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Malika Scala from the building. Yo! How are the them? Guys, in today's video, I wanted to talk about 3 things that you should do. Ladies, this video is really for the ladies. 3 things that you should do to have a better shape, to look more sexier when you're out of clothes. Right? These things you do when you're in clothes. So I'm gonna tell you, because you do them when you're in clothes. When you take off your clothes, you look more shapier. And I found this out in losing weight and started to take care of my body more. The first thing I'm gonna talk about, ladies, that you should take keen note of is your bras. Right? I know that sometimes people wear bras that are smaller than their size, so if you push up them breasts, right? You want your breast to have a natural look, because what I've learned is if you pull your bra too tight, once you let it go, you're gonna have a longer breast. That is something that I know to be true. So you want to wear your bra size. You want to check the cup, or your bra size is really length around here. So you just take one measuring tape and measure around here. So when you see your 42B or 42C, the numbers are the cup size. I don't know how to get the cup size, but I know you get the size around here. So right, you just measure it to get the correct size. But don't like see brassiere up in a back, a curve, like I see a rainbow. Your brassiere don't look like rainbow in your back, and your brassiere look like rainbow in your back. Something is wrong. And that is how we ladies get love handles sometimes, because the bra is so tight, it creates a lump here. So you guys need to get proper size bras and make sure your brassiere the down in your back down here. So down here, so your bra for there, your bra for like below your shoulder down here. So, and if you know down, there's something wrong, it's either you have the wrong size, you need to check it and get the correct size, because that will give you love handles and long breasts. And nobody wants love handles and long breasts in this society. So that's the key thing that you should zoom in on. That's number 1. Number 2, your underwear. Right? Please, ladies, everybody knows your cotton underwear to wear. Cotton underwear, right? Please make sure say your underwear can pull up to your navel. I know enough people have said they don't like wear big panty or X, Y, and Z, but big underwears are the best. I know say sometimes no one 60 pound whatever, which I don't say nothing wrong with that. You don't care about a 60 panty put aside differently. But like your day-to-day underwears, they should be able to pull up on your belly top to your navel, so your belly can be keep pulled in. If you notice in a society these days, most young people have a big belly. One of the reasons for this big belly is the panty, the below your belly, so the belly are come over the panty. You must get a bigger belly. So try to buy comfortable underwears that you can pull up to your navel, as near as possible to your navel. Right? Me used to wear, I know how my panty them now gonna reach up to the navel if you wear small panty smaller than your size. Wear your right size underwear. Try find out the right size, or you check your panty size and check your foot them to see if they can stretch, so when you pull up them, they can pull up. When me pull up my panty and look at myself, I say, damn girl, you sexy. Because of the shape, them I like when my panty reach past my waistline. So I said so, I say, Ray, Malika, your body that. You understand? And that's something I've learned, because I used to wear my underwears low cut like a hipsters wear down yourself. And I used to be shaping very bad. Very, very bad. Until I stopped that, I changed that over the past maybe year or 2, and I have a better shape. So 2 things, my bras fit me properly, my cup them fit properly, I make sure my bra down here, so, and then my underwears pull up to my navel as much as possible. The third thing that I want you guys to change about when you're dressing yourself on the outer appearance is your pants, skirt, and everything. I always try to wear a belt with my pants, my skirt, or everything. Do not wear these hipsters pants with the pants that down at your under your belly, by your hip top. No, that will have you get a bad shape, because guess what? Your belly part are grow. Don't you have to suck in with the belt, or chances are if you don't say your clothes tight or something, try to wear high waist pants. The higher your waist pants, the better you will shape. And I know that to be true. That's something that I've experienced with. So guys, try it, and me know so I'm gonna go see results. If you don't see it right away, I'm gonna go see it. If you don't continuously do it, You understand? Practice yourself to do these things and your body overall will have a better shape. Like my top part is properly proportioned to my bottom part. You understand? Make sure say I have a proper brassiere. Right now my brassiere is because my breast get small, so I have to get new bras and stuff. So I make sure that my bras, you know, each up in my back top, it where it's supposed to be. I make sure that it's the correct size, because if not I'll get love handles. I'm gonna want to love handles. And I make sure that my underwears, I have comfortable underwears that pull up to my navel as much as possible, and my pants, my skirt, but don't wear it under my belly. Some people as our style, I put buckle belt, buckle skirt under them belly, buckle it for your navel top. My like look drape up, because when I take off my clothes I look so sexy. I'm telling you the truth. I wish I could show y'all. But to tell you the truth, try and wear your clothes as much as possible to your navel. You get this hourglass shape. I'm telling you. Guys, listen to me, because that's something women know to be true. So try and practice that. Buy your size pants. Don't buy no little pants when you walk. You can't walk good. Buy your size clothes. Whatever size you are, buy your clothes and start practicing that, because you will start to have a flatter stomach because you're practicing to pull in your stomach, because you have on your belt. The belt will keep your belly area together. And then now you have your underwear. You understand? So guys, please practice those things, and I know you're gonna get results with them. I've seen the effects on my body. I'm telling you no. I'm telling you no. Guys, I don't know if you ever see me in my bikini. Them I have some videos on my channel where I'm in bad suits. Check out my shape. I become start they stuff them start shapes. And you know, with my workout and stuff, I have a workout video on the channel I just did not too long ago. You guys can check that out, and please start practicing what I tell you. Subscribe, tell a friend. Well, tell a friend so they can have a better shape. You know, because people don't pay attention to these small things, and these small things is really what create the most impact for you. So yeah, that's what I had to share today. Thumbs up the video, like, and see you later.